In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the failed to connect to server error here on Hytale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say you're trying to play Hytale with your friends, whether it's on a server connecting to single player or just hosting your own server, and you keep getting errors like failed to connect to server. This video is going to walk you through all of the most common fixes, starting with the easiest solutions, and then of course we'll move into the more advanced troubleshooting if needed. And the first thing that you're going to want to do, and it does sound a little bit obvious, but make sure that the server is actually online. Open up your server panel or console and just make sure it's actually running. If it's offline, start it and try connecting to it again. If the server's online and you still can't join, move on to the next step, which is authenticating your server. I have a full video breaking this down because you need to use your server console for this, but if you're self-hosting, that server does have to be authenticated. Open up that console, run /authenticate status, and if no authentication token is present, just authenticate it. And once again, I have a full video breaking this down. I recommend checking that out since it is a little bit complicated to jump into for this quick video. The next thing that you're going to want to do is actually sync your Windows time. So go ahead and open up your Windows settings. Once you're in here, go ahead and go specifically to the time and language tab and then click date and time here. You're going to see this option that says sync now. Go ahead and select sync now. And after syncing, try joining that server again. You may need to restart your game after doing this. Keep that in mind. If you're still having issues, you may have to allow Hytale through Windows Firewall because for whatever reason, Hytale and its Java backend do have to be allowed through the Windows Defender Firewall. So go ahead and open up your Windows Defender Firewall. You could just do this by searching up Windows Security and opening up. Once you're on this page, go ahead and find this virus and threat protection option right here, as well as this firewall and network protection. Open up one of these two options and find this allow an app through Firewall tab. Open this up. Scroll down on here and make sure that Hytale and all of these other Hytale clients are selected and checked off. From here, you can close out of this, save your changes, and try reconnecting. If everything else has still failed though, you're going to want to open up your network troubleshooting options. You could do this by searching view network connections and open it up. Right click on your active connection, which I'm actually using Ethernet for this. So right click on that. And then from here, go ahead and go into properties and then select configure. And then in this little tab right here, go into advanced. You're going to want to change one setting, test it, and if it doesn't work, go ahead and change another setting and revert that previous one. The settings that you're going to want to change, and there's a list of them, so keep in mind, is disable priority and VLAN, disable receive segment coalescing, disable energy efficient Ethernet, disable green Ethernet, disable flow control, disable ARP overload, and disable advanced EEE. Apply the changes, test the connection, and then of course revert if needed. These settings sometimes interfere with peer-to-server networking in newer games. Just after completing all these steps, you should be able to join the Hytale servers, connect with your friends, host or join multiplayer sessions without any errors, and you'll be good to go. If none of these fixes did work, leave me a comment down below. I'm going to respond to every single comment so I can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.